Y'all know how I did my nails? I lost this one, but they're so long. They're too long for me. Let me see that, because some of y'all used to the long nails. Y'all don't do much. I've hit my nails so many times and it hurts. So I'm taking them off. But they were cute. Very cute. Very, very cute. But I can't do it. I've hit my nails. I'm pretty sure my thumb is bruised down here. And then I'm pretty sure this finger is bruised. And I keep poking my baby in the eye. And I just feel so bad. So I'm taking them off. But they durable and they sturdy. But yeah, I'm taking them off. Okay, y'all, I'm in this group, this community. In my community, there's like a Facebook group that gets stuff. So I'm gonna go pick up some balloons because yes, I'm already planning my baby's birthday. It said it was 40 degrees out here. It feels like 60. If you want to ride your scooter when you get home, when we get home, you can. Yeah. I just wanted to show y'all how close we are to the lake. I never knew this was a pool right here. Never knew there was a pool. And it's a playground. Where's the playground? Can you see? I don't know where the playground is. There's a playground. Anyway,
this is gonna go get the Nova, but that's what he's gonna go do.
Let's go.
I will go into Aldi's. And then welcome to Aldi's. Best place in the best. Mommy, can I get more cereal? Cause I kind of ran out of that cinnamon toast crunch.
That's fine.
I want to make fans. I don't want to stop recording. She dropped the bag. Which one do you think I should pick? I picked this one now.
They added cinnamon toast crunch. How much is it? Yeah, go look at the price. No, go look at the price. No. That's 4, 6, 8, 12. Everyone is in here, and I'm assuming it's because it's about to freeze, but like, all these people. Okay, now my baby wants the camera, so here.
Yep.
Oh, what? You done? Is that everything? I didn't go over. Haha, I'm surprised. Okay. Let's go. Yeah, car.
Look at all those pools. Oh, right.
You gonna take the basket back and get our quarter? Okay. Thank you for the quarter. Make sure you leave that in the car. My keys. Hand sanitizer. Here. Rub your hands in. Do like this, baby. No, not on your face. No. It's sanitizer for your fingers. Here, I'll give you something for your lips.
Yeah.
You want lip gloss? Go like, or lick it. Okay.
We can go home.
I'm back from the store. The baby is super grumpy, so she's gonna take a nap. Oh, I gotta check the mail. I'm actually gonna go check the mail real quick. Let me pause this. Is it making me start over? It is. Dang, I thought it was gonna start me from my checkpoint. I'm not one of the moms that wake their kids up to clean up when I'm cleaning up to stay on my way. To clean up his own stuff and do his own laundry and his bathroom and all of that. More what? Mo what? What? Don't know what she's talking about, but yeah, I'm gonna get back to cleaning. I don't know if the camera's picking this up. All this has to be mopped and swept. This is from the snow melting. One of the things I hate about having a dog. The list ain't long, but this is top two. Top two. Kids are so funny. She put her boots on. We not going nowhere, but if that's what you want, girl. And so for the most part, I'm done cleaning up. I did my best to edit that to where it wouldn't be too boring for you. So I hope you liked it. But I'm done cleaning up for the most part. I'm making another thing of water to have my water on standby because the dogs have to go outside quite a few more times today. And I was gonna give them baths, but my backyard is muddy. If y'all have any ideas of how to get that backyard better for them, please let me know, because it's so muddy back there, and I'm tired of mopping my floor. At this point, I think I might start walking them, because it might be easier than mopping every damn day. But yeah, I'll see y'all later.